So I'm at a mate's place today and he's in desperate need of getting his fences fixed. Now, these ones are pretty tired and shabby and they're time to be replaced. Now, when you think about fences around a property, you know what? They play a huge role. They give us security, they give us privacy, and most importantly, they create a safe place for our kids and our pets. Now, to add to that as well, fences create a really good backdrop for landscapes. But in this case, this is a front fence, so it's all about street appeal. And we want to make sure we get it right. Okay, so when you're pulling down an old fence like this, things that you want to be careful of is rusty screws and nails like these ones here, because you can get tetanus. So wearing gloves are really, really important. Now, the other thing, by dismantling, rather than getting a sledgehammer and smashing this through, as tempting as it might be, dismantling carefully is always the way to go. We've got brick piers here. If we were smashing away with a sledgehammer, there's a good chance that we might disrupt some of this work. So do it carefully and do it right. Now, with Colorbond steel, you don't have to worry about rot or termites also. And this is the kicker for me. You don't have to oil it, paint it, or ever replace palings. That is a winner in my book.
Angle grinding off the old bolts clears the way for the steel channels the Colorbond steel slats will sit in. Marking out the spots for our support posts, we're using a motorised post digger to give us some nice deep holes. Once we make sure everything is straight and true, we add in some cement to give our steel posts a solid base.
Beautiful. All right, so we've got our steel post concreted in. Now, the next step is to get our slats in. Now, the owner here wanted to have another horizontal slatted fence, similar to the other one, but wanted that look. Now, what we need to do next is put some channels in, and then all we need to do is slide the slats in from the top. It's as easy as that. Okay, so that's our first panel done, and it's really, really easy to put together. Well, look, Bob and I will keep rolling, get the rest of it up. So there you go, guys, all done, and how awesome does that look? My mate's gonna be wrapped when he sees his new front fence. Now, with 14 colours in the range, you'll definitely find a colour to suit any home. Now, if this panel option's not your cup of tea, there's also a wide range of other options available. Well, I think for this home, they have absolutely nailed the option. Looks fantastic. What a transformation.